Let the good times roll. The Parking Maneuver Assistant in BMW Operating System 8 can park your car automatically for you. The system can take over accelerating, braking and steering to maneuver in and out of parallel and perpendicular parking spaces. Always ready. When you drive past parked vehicles at low speed, the system is scanning for parking spaces. Simply press the Parking Assistant button in the center console to see them in parking view. Or in the iDrive menu, go to Vehicle Apps, Parking. Shifting to reverse opens the parking view automatically. An icon shows the system status on the control display and in the instrument cluster. Select Assist View for a stylized display of the vehicle top view with the surrounding parking situation in scale. Parking spaces are recognized when you have passed them completely. Check out the suggested parking spaces and maneuvers on the display. Choose one by clicking on the control display or using the knurled wheel on the steering wheel to select on the instrument cluster. Follow the displayed instructions. While the car moves, you can slow down with the brake. Use your voice. You can also activate the Parking Assistant with your BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant.
Hey BMW, start Parking Assistant.
Use the Parking Assistant also to drive automatically out of a parking space. After switching on Drive Readiness, press the Parking Assistant button or Shift to R and use the assistant to park out, just as for parking in. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.